Welcome back as we move on to the subject of care and maintenance of your gas detection and monitoring instruments. As your life can literally depend upon the reliability of a monitor, it makes good sense that you care for these instruments. Instruments should always be handled carefully and never exposed to rough treatment. Where necessary, use a protective carry case, as this will protect it from the odd knock or bump. Keep the instrument clean by wiping it with a water-dampened cloth or a sponge. Never use cleaning agents or solvents to clean the instrument, as these can damage the sensors. If necessary, the sensor or diffusion holes may require unblocking. Do not poke anything through these holes, as this will damage the sensors. To clear or unblock any blocked sensor holes, first carefully remove the cover plate. The holes can now be cleared using clean, oil-free compressed air. A warning here: don't touch or apply air pressure to the exposed sensors, as this will result in serious damage to these sensitive components. It must be noted that only a qualified technician will be permitted to replace sensors and perform calibration procedures on an instrument. On no account may the user tamper with the internal parts of the instrument or alter the calibration settings. When an instrument is not being used, it should be stored in a clean, dry, and cool place, preferably in its packing box. As the instrument must always be kept ready for use, it is important that rechargeable batteries are maintained in a charged state. Battery charging instructions will be explained in the operator's instruction booklet. Follow these instructions carefully to avoid damage to the batteries. Some instruments use alkaline batteries, and these will need replacing periodically. Once again, always follow the instructions and never attempt to change a battery in a potentially combustible atmosphere. This concludes the program on monitors. We would, however, like to stress yet again that it is of utmost importance that before you attempt to operate an instrument for the first time, and whenever you are performing any checks or maintenance, that you follow the operating instructions. Never take chances. Your life depends on the accuracy of your monitor. Join us again in other Tech AV programs that have been designed to help you become skilled in technical and related subjects.